Hey, welcome to BIBSTER'S Repair Shop. Just want to say thanks to everyone that's been checking the channel out. We just hit the 150 subscriber mark, which I know is probably not that big of a deal, but for about 3 months of doing this, to hit that level has been awesome. All the guys out there that been commenting and getting to know a bunch of other channels that kind of do the same kind of thing. Thanks for checking it out, everyone. Any advice you've given a lot of guys I've been talking to. It's really been awesome and helped out. So here's to 850 more. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, it'd be awesome if you hit that little button and ring the bell so you can try and beat Ed at being the first commenter. So Ed or Murphy, and sometimes Mrs. Bibster. But yeah, so today it's Saturday. It's still cold. I think this is supposed to be the last cold Saturday, but I don't know. I seriously hate winter. It's just the worst. But so I was gonna either dink around on this, but he's got a couple projects over at his place. So I'm thinking I might do is fire up the old 880 diesel or Super 88, depending on how you feel. And take this thing over there and help him out a little bit on a few projects. So we'll bring you with, and it should be kind of fun. We'll see how that goes. So we'll talk. Well, you'll see me get this thing. I don't know. It's cold out, and I'm gonna open the door. It's 30 degrees in here, and I gotta fire up the truck. So give me a second. All right, let's see. My hand in there. Turn the fuel on. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's way up in there right now. All right, fuel is on. We are neutral, and I'm moving the tractor. Moving that would have been bad. It's good. I got my garage open right here, so if it does fire right up, we're gonna be a-okay. Key on, choke back, little bit of throttle. See what she does. Ooh. A little choke here. Ooh. A little grumpy. Open the door. That was happy. Oh, cold-blooded. Explain when we get to my buddy's place why I was acting weird. Much happier. Eric, this isn't a tractor. I mean, we could LS a tractor. This is like one of the only vehicles that actually came with an LS.
Yes.
Everything else has them afterwards. So tell us about the car, Eric.
98 Camaro, Z28 SLP package, 6-speed manual. Got nitrous on it. Yeah, that's about it.
We'll never put that on a tractor.
Never say never.
Never say never. No, just because I got the tech guy's gonna watch this video, so I can't have him.
Gotcha.
I can't have him see that. And then what about Pinky over here? Is Pinky retired?
Pinky's got a kind of a something goes knock 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 knock.
Oh.
So
Pinky's done. Well, motor's done.
Yeah, motor's done. I'm
We'll rebuild it.
looking to get a 351 put in it. So if any of you guys know where to get one, it's a 92.
I wonder
So
where our 351 ended up at. My dad had one. We had one in his old 85. It was a carbureted engine, but the bolt bottom engine might be the same.
yeah,
I mean, it would need to be rebuilt because it had a bunch of miles when we had it, but it might not be catastrophic. And it's one you could rebuild while it's that thing's still maybe movable.
There's plenty of options going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now it's got a code for a throttle position sensor, so
No, you don't need that.
I already took it apart, and
Yeah.
that's it right there.
Mm-hmm.
So
Typical GM fun. Just gonna put a new one on there?
I'm going to. I haven't gotten it yet.
Oh, nice. Well, that's road trip then.
We can.
Also, YouTube's gonna get pissed off at that, so we should probably stop that. All right, we're gonna get set up, and we'll bring you back. But yeah, so basically, if you couldn't hear me out by the tractor, when I did the points video, I screwed up my wires when I put them back on, and that's why when I first started the tractor in the garage, it sounded like a bomb going off. My neighbors were not thrilled at me trying to run that thing outside, and I ended up watching my video back to figure out what it was supposed to be, and then it ran like a charm. So, yep, Bibster screwed stuff up again. Common thing. All right, we'll be back. Well, we didn't get too much done over there. My buddy ended up getting a phone call, and so, but I remembered that I wanted to get the tractor home before it got too dark. Well, and I kind of forgot that this is the tractor that when I did the lights, or when I did the 12-volt conversion, or not 12-volt, but to put the alternator on it. You guys know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I totally forgot. This definitely needs to be a little bit richer. I totally had forgotten to hook the lights up. So I went to leave and it's dark and there's no lights. So I snuck this thing back home. Just turn the fuel off here. And now let's just take my truck back because it's probably a little bit smarter. Ran pretty good. It's like I said, I think it's a little bit lean. It's getting the blue flame effect coming out of the exhaust a little bit unless I'm starting to load up. So. Well, I think actually for this one tonight we'll probably wrap things up. Maybe we'll go back. We might go back and work on some other stuff. But yeah, a little bit of a starter project. So we'll go over there just a few more times and do some more stuff there. But yeah, so kind of a quick Saturday video. Whew. At least it's warmer in here now. But man, getting a little chilly out there. So, but yeah, you guys everybody have a safe and good Friday, or was it Saturday? It's Saturday. And we'll probably put something out tomorrow. We'll come out and have a little bit of fun. So, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.